Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Even with the possible early arrival of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series isn't expected until the start of 2024. The handset will come in 3 sizes with a significant upgrade to the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The fact that there will likely be 3 models isn't really a surprise, given the Ultra variant has been a staple of Galaxy S launches since the Galaxy S20 arrived in 2020. Nonetheless, we have found evidence that the S24 Ultra has the codename Muse3, which hint at the existence of a Muse1 and Muse 2, presumably the vanilla S24 and S24 Plus. That's good news for fans of the Plus, given a report in January suggested Samsung was considering axing it for its 2024 flagship range. More significant than the range of devices is one specific upgrade tipped for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The claim that this top-end model will get a telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom, which will presumably replace the 10MP 3x optical zoom on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Assuming the others remain the same, that would mean that the new 5x zoom would join the 10x sensor, limiting the gap needed to be filled with digital zoom. The S23 Ultra already has a 200MP main sensor, ensuring its current position at the very top of our list of the best camera phones, so it seems unlikely that sensor will change. Aside from this, we're not expecting huge changes to the Galaxy S family next year, beyond the annual Qualcomm chip upgrade. Even the design looks set to stay the same, with Samsung sticking rigidly to its winning formula. Of course, there's still plenty of time for more leaks to emerge, given we're likely over 6 months away from go time. Before then, we've got another Galaxy Unpacked event to look forward to next month, where we're fully expecting to see the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Watch 6, and Galaxy Tab S9 make an appearance. So, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.